Good evening and welcome to the share trading update for 11 June 2026. The biggest story affecting South African markets over the past 24 hours was the sharp earnings disappointment from SPAR. The retailer reported that headline earnings per share from continuing operations plunged 53.9% to 199.9 cents for the 6 months to March, while operating profit fell 45% to 740.5 million rand. Revenue managed to grow 1.7% to 50.8 billion rand, but investors focused on worsening margins, operational disruptions at the KwaZulu-Natal distribution center, and a jump in net debt to 7.3 billion rand. The results reinforce concerns that South African consumers remain under pressure and the retailers are having to work much harder to generate growth. Turning to the broader market, the JSE traded cautiously as investors balanced local company news against global inflation and interest rate concerns. Recent trading has seen the JSE top 40 hovering around the 103,000 level, while the all-share index remains close to the 111,000 level. Resource counters continue to provide support to the market, while consumer-facing shares were generally softer following the SPAR results and ongoing concerns around household spending. On the company front, SPAR dominated headlines, but investors also continued digesting a number of recent corporate updates. PPC's turnaround remains a positive story after management guided for a meaningful improvement in earnings, while operational momentum at several industrial and technology counters has remained supportive. However, the market is increasingly rewarding companies that can demonstrate strong cash generation and margin resilience rather than simply delivering top-line growth. In currencies and commodities, the rand remained relatively stable around the mid-16 rand range against the US dollar, while traders watched global inflation data and central bank expectations. Gold and platinum prices remained important drivers for local mining shares, while Brent crude held firm, supporting energy-related sentiment. Commodity markets continue to be a key influence on South African resource stocks and overall market direction. Looking ahead to tomorrow, investors will be watching South African manufacturing and mining-related data releases, developments in global inflation expectations, and any fresh SENS announcements that could shift sentiment on the JSE. International interest rate expectations also remain firmly on the radar for local investors. And that's your share trading update for 11 June 2026. If you found this useful, make sure you follow and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's update. And if you're looking to start investing or trading for yourself, you'll find a link in the caption to open an account with Velocity Trade or to join Share Trading's vibrant trading community. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for another breakdown of everything that moved South African markets in the last 24 hours.